Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my friend Grace. She brought over this like gingerbread turkey kit.
Well, it's basically just like a gingerbread, but it's shaped like a turkey.
We were opening it and I thought, why not make a video on it, because I thought that would be lots of fun. That's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be like testing it and seeing how well we do. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. That would mean a lot to me. Let's just get straight on into the video.
So we need eggs.
We do?
Look at the back.
We need to make
the icing.
It gives you like the powdered sugar and stuff.
And then it gives you like this thing.
But you have to make your own icing. That's kind of weird. Is it comes with the main gingerbread turkey parts.
It comes with sprinkles.
And some little gummies.
Icing, sugar.
And I guess these are like M&Ms.
And then the thing that you put like the icing in.
We're going to quickly make the icing. Now we're in our kitchen. We are just going to try our best and get an egg white.
I think I know how to do it. Okay, there's a little bit of yolk, but I think that's okay.
I know it was hard to see, but we made an attempt. So now we're just going to whip up the egg yolks. It's not plugged in. I'm going to plug this in. A 100 years later, we have our bowl, and it's not like stiff peaks like it's supposed to be. I think it's pretty good. Yeah. You add the powdered sugar. Yeah. It said we could add some lemon juice, but that's like optional, so I don't think we're gonna do that.
I don't know if it says to add gradually. That's a lot of sugar.
Here's the powdered sugar. We're basically just gonna mix it around with a spatula now. Okay, I feel like our mixture is kind of failing.
Dough. Like it's a dough, not a paste.
We might just have to add in another egg white. Oh, you're getting it everywhere. Like, this is not what we're going for. I think I'm gonna add in another egg white.
We're just gonna like whisk up another egg white
yeah,
in the bowl
and then see how that works. I'm really proud of what I did, because I've never cracked an egg and like just gotten the egg white. I always use a water bottle, but I did it by myself, which I'm proud of. And now I'm just going to be whisking it, and then we'll add it to this mess. So I just finished whipping the egg yolks, and I'm really proud of how it turned out. Now I'm just going to add my recently whipped egg yolks to this. This is already difficult enough, and we haven't even started building the thing, so. We're just gonna leave it as this, and like it's not the worst consistency ever. We're just gonna put this in the bag, and then we'll start making our things. And now Grace is so messy. After a very long and very hard process of trying to get this,
now we need to put the frosting
into the bag. Bowl done. We're just gonna snip off a tiny little bit at the end. Did I drip it? So now we can actually start like assembling the turkeys. That seriously took so long. Ooh, that smells so good. You smell it? So you have to arrange the turkey pieces. We're gonna lay them out. So with it, you get the little body. And this doesn't feel like a regular gingerbread house. Like, this feels like a soft, like good cookie. Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
And it looks like it came like out of a bakery. Like this is like actually working out pretty nice. So the next thing we have to do are icing, feathers, body, the head, and the neck.
Oh, this is the head and then like the.
Just put like a layer of icing around each one, so that's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna.
Okay, so I got the first one done, and now Grace is gonna do the rest, and I'll film her so that you guys can see.
Run, run, don't trail behind. Keep moving, the beast won't stop till we're dead. All the scrapes on our knees will tell you where we've been, where we have bled. All we play.
So now we're back, and I realized that Grace is a much better icinger than I am. Like, she did really good. And we basically have to, like, assemble. We have to put
The ice cream.
the head. Yeah, I think the head goes on top of the back, like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, this could be a good thing. You can just fill it in. Oh, no. Okay, wait, put it in the... It's easy, DIY. I'm just gonna go ahead, or take the head and stick it on the back. It's looking pretty cute.
Let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. When I was buying this, I was like, oh, we should get this chicken. Is that a chicken?
I'm just gonna put the turkey into like the base slot. Now that the icing is in there, I'm just gonna stick, I think the turkey would go this way.
Sticky?
Oh, now we have the turkey like perfectly sitted up.
So now we have to add the feathers.
Frosting. So we're gonna add some frosting onto the back of him. And then we're gonna be sticking this feather on the back of the
like body.
Yeah. I'm like so used to making gingerbread houses that like, I don't know, like I feel like I want to call this like a gingerbread man, but it's not. It's a turkey, guys. Now we've got the back all nice and frostinged. That's probably not a word. Now we're just gonna stick this onto the back. Oh, this looks so good. Yes, there's like this little thing. I thought this was the nose, but I guess it's supposed to like support. So we're just gonna stick it. Yeah, we're just gonna stick it onto the back to help like support the back. Look at our little turkey. This is actually turning out really cute, I think. The last step of icing is, I'm pretty sure we just put on the feet. We're gonna outline the back and then we're just gonna stick them on right here, and I think that's gonna look really cute.
And the icing is actually drying really fast, which is really nice because when it comes to gingerbread making, when the icing doesn't dry fast, it's very difficult.
I did.
It's so cute.
There we go.
So now we have to like decorate.
It's gonna be really fun.
The first thing that we should do is ice the eyes.
Okay.
I feel like.
And they gave us a lot of good decorations. So now we're just going to be decorating a little bit. Grace put on little eyes on it.
Now behind this box is finished turkey.
And I am really proud of us. I think we did a lot better.
It looks really good.
Like for us.
2, 1.
Ta-da!
It's really cute. Like this is supposed to be like
A little bit higher.
yeah. Other than that, we get to eat it, and the gingerbread smells so good.
Should we try a piece of it?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Very soft.
I want to take off the frosting because the frosting's really bad.
You know, it's not as good as it smells, but it's not the worst. It tastes like pumpkin bread. It's not very sweet, but it's not the worst thing.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I think I liked it better than gingerbread houses because it's like a turkey. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys like seeing Grace and you guys want to see her more often. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys like what you see. That would mean so much to me. I'll see you guys on Wednesday with a new video. So, bye.